Hey everybody, I am John Merritt from borntoproduce.com, and in this short video I'm going to show you around our new drum and bass template for Cubase Elements, Artist and Pro, which also includes a whole load of presets for Cubase stock instruments and some tutorial videos as well. So before I get into the details, please be aware that this is much more than just a pretty project for you guys to look at. This is really a complete package for Cubase, including demo tracks, blank templates ready to use, presets for Cubase stock instruments and plugins, and it's also really a learning aid as well to help you get the most out of the whole thing. Firstly, we have used only stock instruments and plugins, and a couple of free plugins that we show you how to download and install. There are blank and demo templates for every version of Cubase, so Elements, Artist and Pro are supported, all with fully working routing and plugin chains set up and ready to be used. There are a total of 51 extra plugin presets included that you can install and actually use in your own projects, along with 27 FX chain presets split between the sort of Elements and Artist Pro versions for all sorts of things like stereo widening, FX presets, fat shiny leads, vocal bus processing, drums processing, and much more. The blank templates are set up with all of the group channel routing ready to go, so sidechain groups, group channel effects chains already in place, so you can activate them as you're building your own creations, along with obviously the master bus and any pre-master buses as well. There are also 6 tutorial videos which will explain how to install all the presets and plugin chains, how all the routing is set up, and explain how best to use the presets and plugin chains so that you can get the absolute best out of the template as quickly as possible. So we really wanted to create a demo track that was much more of an aid to actually learning about music production rather than just a showcase of what it is that we can achieve ourselves as producers. So I'm going to let the demo track play. I hope you enjoy this new template, and please do reach out to me if you have any questions at John, that's Jon, at borntoproduce.com. Thanks very much for watching, guys and girls. See you later.
No, my lucid dreams, I pick the themes, I set the scene, picture you and me. In my lucid dreams, close my eyes to dream of your presence, experience your charm, your taste, your smell, your sweet essence, just to embrace your warm, strong arms. I'd give it all, I'd give it all. I dream about you, think about you all the time. In all my lucid dreams, it's you and me. In every lucid dream, it's you and me. In every lucid dream, yeah. In all my lucid dreams, I pick the things, I set the scene. to dreams.